Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This series of tutorials came about because I had a client that was having an issue with Act and Microsoft Word and the templates. So my two previous videos about this matter talked about some of the issues behind that and some of the things to consider and think about. Now, having said that, if you've been using Microsoft Word and you've created templates in Word, I can appreciate the fact that it can be very frustrating if all of a sudden these things don't start working. Either you can't print them or you can't send an email to contacts via a mail merge. So one of the options you have is you can transition to to Act's word processor. And to do that, you'd have to change a setting. But before you do that, again, to backtrack just a second, if you currently use Microsoft Word for all your templates, obviously the issue becomes, well, if you use the Act word processor, you're going to have to recreate those templates. Now that can be a lot of work. So let me show you something you can do just to simplify that process. I'm going to go up and click on Write, and I'm going to go Edit Template. Now, what this will do is open templates. A lot of these are pre-formatted. They come with Act. They're pre-written. They're pre-designed. So keep that in mind. But you might have different templates down your list that you want to save. So I want to draw your attention up here. The folder where this is located, it's in the Documents folder, Act Database 2020, Act Clever 2020, Database Files, Templates. So the key here is this. What you want to do is you want to go back a level. So I'm going to click right here. Now, here's the Templates folder. If you right click on the Templates folder and go down to say where it's Send to Desktop, create shortcut, what I just did is I put a shortcut to this Templates folder right here inside, on my desktop. I can also right click and go Send to, and I can just create another shortcut wherever I want. I could create it in this folder, or I can just leave it where it is. But the reason I did that is because when you transition to Act's word processor, you're going to have to get back to your templates folder to be able to open them to copy and paste. So let me show you that trick. I'm going to click Cancel. I'm going to go up to Tools. I'm going to go down to Preferences, and I'm going to change the preferences for communication from Microsoft Word down to the Act word processor. And I'm going to click Apply. I'm going to click OK. For just a moment, I'm going to minimize Act. I'm going to minimize this. Here is the template shortcut. I'm going to double click on this. When I double click on it, it opens up the window, and these are my Word templates. So now at this point, what I might have to do is I might want to copy these. And you're going to see we have different templates in here. Some are Word, some are my Act templates. But what you're going to do at this point is literally double click on the template in question so you can open it up and edit it. Now, if you have a customized template, that's what you're going to focus on. You're going to notice that these templates are here for both Word and the Act word processor. So again, what you'd want to look for in this folder is that template that you created. And you'd want to open that in Microsoft Word, copy and paste it in the Act word processor. So that's why I want you to access this folder. Again, there's one template for the Act word processor, one for Microsoft Word. These are the customized templates that came prepackaged with Act. That's why there's two of them, anticipating which word processor you want to use. Again, just to back up for a moment, if you have a unique template, you have to know the name of it, you have to navigate to it, open it up, and then copy and paste that into a new template inside the Act word processor. So I know that's a little confusing, but it explains a lot of the little things you got to think about if you make that transition. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Tony Holowitz. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Bye now.